Hello everyone, myself Mukesh Kumar working as a scientist at CSIR CSIO Government R&D Laboratory in India, and I am going to talk on performance analysis of similar appliances identification using NILM technique under different data sampling rate. First of all, I would like to thank the organizing committee to giving me the opportunity to showcase our work in these wonderful events. Let me brief about my organization. Central Scientific Instruments Organization CSIO is government R&D laboratory in India under the CSIR, and we are working on instrumentation development for strategic sector, biomedical devices and analytical instrumentation and energy management system. As a part of energy management system, we are working towards Industry 4.0 and Energy 4.0, and recently we have developed Energy Sense, which is based on the NILM technique, and currently it is going on the field trial. As we know, single NIL device uses aggregated data to disaggregate individual appliances status and energy consumption using machine learning and artificial intelligence approach. Nowadays, similar appliances are common in building, hence researchers are trying to identify similar appliances as part of robust system. But we need to trade off between the NILM system performance, computational timing and sampling rate for designing effective NILM hardware system. This is the developed hardware for data collection at different sampling rate. To collect the data, 4 CFL lamp with same power rating have been used in this study with 16 possible configuration, and data were taken with the 10 and 50 kHz sampling rate. In this study, locality constraint linear coding has been used as a basis vector for future mapping. It is a block diagram for LLC DNN approach for training and testing of proposed system. Result and discussion. For the baseline system, we have achieved maximum accuracy of 72% in the SVM with linear kernel and with 80% with DNN. For future mapping based approach, maximum accuracy have been achieved in higher sampling rate, I mean 93% in SVM with LLC and 96% in DNN with LLC. We have explored LLC concept in NILM, and currently we are working on LLC DNN approach for various similar appliances, and we are looking for field trial. And this is our NILM team at CSIR CSIO, and I would like to thank each and everyone for their contribution in this work. These are the references we have used in this study. Thank you.